Yomi Fabiyi, this video is for you. You said in the write-up, because I won't go back and forth with you. Yeah, so I will do this video for you, Mirayi. You said that even when you shaded me in your malicious video, I did a malicious video to shade you. Yomi, where is the shade? Tell me where I shaded you. Just because I disagree with your write-up or how you wrote it, you call it or tagged it shading. And you are trying so hard to defend yourself, which I don't have any problem with. If you're trying to defend what you're saying, that, okay, because he's our colleague, so people should not jump into conclusion. People should try to, be patient. People were calling you. Who called you, Yomi? You are the one that escalated this whole wahala. If you did not put up your write-up, the likes of Oluke Daramola and my other fellow colleagues will not repost it. You put up a write-up without doing your proper investigation, without calling Princess, without going to the police station itself to find out exactly what the problem is. You, Yomi, you are the reason why I came out to speak. And I made it very clear that I was in a disagreement with the fact that you were comparing Baba Suwe's case with Baba Jesha's case, because it's two different things. You even sent me a write-up that Emma de Kakpo Bebela Kisa. Ki wọ́n fi nǹkan bo ọmọ yẹn lójú kó release the video. Káwọn èèyàn lè ní evidence. Jọjọ lọ́lẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ló bí ọmọ yẹn. Ṣé wàá ní kó fi bu ọmọ yẹn lójú kó release the video? Ṣé òbí tó bí ọmọ, princess tó tọ́ ọmọ, gbogbo family ọmọ, ṣé wọ́n ọ̀dọ́ ọmọ wọn mọ̀ ni? Ọmọ yẹn fúnra ọmọ 14 years old. When she sits down to watch that video, how do you think that girl will feel? Or do you think molestation or rape is a child's play? Because I see some idiots on your page writing that maybe because I have been raped 5 times, that is why the thing was peppering my body. Some people are asking for evidence. Evidence to be posted online. If you are waiting for evidence, why don't you wait until when this matter goes to court? If you did not do that write-up, I would not have done that video, because I was patiently waiting, just like you claim that you are waiting. So why did you jump to the conclusion to quickly try to paint a scenario and give people a different impression that it may be, it may not be not? Why didn't you wait, Yomi? And you were telling me if I felt your write-up was bad or whether I disagreed, I should have called you behind closed doors. Why would I have to call you behind closed doors? I don't have to call you behind closed doors, Yomi. I don't know lo en gimu jina sórí mo tún sọ. Mo fi gbogbo àyà mi sọ ni. Ìwọ báwo, Yomi? Èmi ò like ma sinregun o, má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀. Because Yomi mo yàtọ̀ o. Mi ń ṣàbúrò mi tó ń bá fa wàhálà, o lè bẹ́ mi po wàhálà, Yomi Fabiyi. O lè bá mi ná. Wàláì tàlẹ́ tó bá bá mi ná wà ná tán bí owó ni. Èmi àti ẹni báwo. Ìwọ́n sọ fún mi pé gígùn jìnnà sórí láàrin èmi àti Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti kọjá yìí ẹ̀yìn. Tell me no about if I pass my boundaries, a small child will disgrace me. If I pass my boundaries, a small child will do whatever they want with me. Yes, Baba Jesha is my senior in the college, and I know him very well in the college. And we had a very good, cordial relationship before all this rubbish happened. But I will not support rubbish. I will not say because he is my colleague. If my father was alive and he did this, I will not support him. If my mother was alive and she did this, I will not support her. If my children that I bore with my womb, if they do this, I will not support them. Emma de kama pon bebe la kisa. O ti gbọ́ Yomi. Èmi kọ́ ló ń throw shade sí o. Ìwọ sọ pé àwọn àṣẹ witchcraft spirits àbí social media àbí kí ló pè náà. Ọjọ́ wo lèmi àti ẹ ti ever ní encounter? When have I ever, me and you, ever had any situation? Even when you had situation with my baby girl, Toyin Abraham, I was very matured about everything. I tried my best to even settle both of you. So but me, I will not see something that is wrong and say because I know the person, let me cover it up, or let me try and make it seem to people like they say this thing is black, but let us wait, it might not really be black, you know, maybe it's gray. You understand? No, I don't do that. I will not do that, not for that child. Baba Ijesha is a disgrace to the whole Yoruba industry. He's a disgrace to ANTP, to tamper the whole industry. His mess is our mess, because he has dragged us in the mud. And I will not cover him up. And I stand to say it again, Yomi. That your write-up was a flop. If you want to wait for evidence, you go back to Panti police station. Find out exactly what happened. Call Princess. Find out exactly what happened. Are you understanding me? Don't come on social media because you always like to jump into everything. Activist. Abikilo pere no. You jump on everything without doing your investigation. Call a bani pe oh Yomi oh very good. Jẹ́ kí gbogbo ajẹ́ kí orí wa máa pé sórí fídíò tí mò ń ṣe yìí mò ń caution ara mi. Mò ń dúró de reply. Sórí next one báyìí máa ju bump tó bad ilẹ̀. Ó dà kó ti ya wèrè. Orí ẹ̀ ti dàrú. Èmi ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ orí ẹ̀ ti burú Yomi.